I'm going to get my hair changed today, so I will no longer have this hair. I'm going to change it to my newer hair. Stay tuned. Again, I'm going to get my hair taken out, and a new hair replacement is going to be put in. Thank you, LaVivid. God, I love you guys. You guys are my favorite. I am so happy that you guys are always come on clutch. So this one is getting a little bit of a bald spot, so it was time to order a new one. And I'm going to go through the process on how to take one off and replace it with another. My cousin's shop. This is the glue that I use. Ghost Bond. Can't see it. This is the thing my hair comes in. And I use this brush to permeate it. Here we go, guys. Here's the moment of truth. That's my cousin. He's going to be doing my hair for me. This is what the new hair product looks like. Comes in this candy box that I showed you guys earlier. So I'll be recording throughout so that you guys can see how it is. Hey guys, so she's in the process of shaving my head. And she is currently putting glue on the hair. As you can see, we just permeate the Ghost Bond. And she placed it perfectly, so the perimeter of the Ghost Bond, she placed it on my head and she cut it from there. Now this is just like glue residue that'll come off, you see. So she's gonna wash my head, and then after that put the glue on, and then we'll be ready. So she's cutting the hair now. She's in the process, and she just cut some side, and then she's gonna style it and work with it. With my side hair. This is in the process. I'll show you guys the final product when it's done. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the final product. Amen. Time to go do hood rat stuff. Alright, y'all, here's the finished product of my hair. So now that it's done, I'm gonna post the video on YouTube, so check it out.